Good morning, my lovely students. How are you all? Okay, I hope that you all are studying at home. I am Miss Ankita, your social science teacher from Mont Brescia School for class 6. Today, we will be starting with a very new topic from our chapter from civics, that is chapter number 1. Okay, so please open your social science book and be ready. Now let us start with the very next topic, that is prejudice. Okay, prejudice. First of all, let us understand the meaning of prejudice. Prejudice means to judge other people's negativity or see them as inferior. Okay, now this I'll make you understand with an example. Okay, now see, as we think that English, it is our mother tongue, okay, and it is the best language, okay, and other languages, they are not so important. If you think like that, okay, so you will start judging every person who doesn't know to speak English, right? Or you will take any other language in a negative form, right? And you will not respect the person who does not speak language that is English, and he or she is speaking other language, right? So this is like you can say partiality. Okay, you judge other people's negativity, like you judge people according to your likes and dislike. You like English, so you judge people. You like people, those who speak English. You want to be with people who speak in English, not with the people who speak in other language. Okay, partial, being partial according to your choices. Okay, now here it is the definition also given, you have to learn that. Okay, an unfavorable or hostile attitude towards other people based on their membership of another social and ethnic group. Okay, now see, when we think that only one particular way is the best and right way to do things, we often end up not respecting others, right? They're saying that if we are thinking that going to Domino's will be better, that will be a best option. You all love pizza of Domino's, right? But any other person is saying that no, we should go to KFC. Okay, then it is like that person is against your choice, right? Now you will think, okay, I want to go to Domino's, I want to have pizza there, but that person is saying to go to KFC, right? So you will be having a negative thinking towards that particular person who is against your opinion, right? So for in that particular situation, you have an hostile attitude towards that other person, okay, and there is all negativity, right? So whenever there is a situation when another person is against your opinion or your decision, then that is known as prejudice. That means you judge other people according to your choices. Okay, now who may prefer to do things differently. For example, if we think that English, our mother tongue, is the best language and other languages are not important, we are judging these other languages negatively. Okay, as a result, we might not respect people who speak languages other than English. Okay, people prejudiced about many things: people's religious beliefs, the color of their skin. Now we also believe that okay, he is not of my caste or anything, so I will not make him my friend. Okay, he is so dark in complexion, so he will not be in my group. Okay, these thinkings, they come under prejudice. The region they come from. Now many people think that okay, he has come from village, okay, I'll not talk to him because he's not of my standard. Okay, so these all biased thinking, these all come together and form prejudice. Okay, often our prejudices about others are so strong that we don't want to form friendship with them. Now you have understood? At times we may even act in way that hurt them, and as a result we act so negatively in front of them that they get hurt from our attitude. Okay, When we fix people into one image, we create a stereotype. Now, what is stereotype? Like, in our India, there is a thinking that if a boy is crying, okay, now then everybody say, you're a boy, come on, don't cry. Boys don't cry, right? So this is a stereotype thinking. And with the same situation, if a girl is crying, then they say that, okay, she's a girl, that is why she's crying. This is the stereotype thinking, okay? This is nothing like that. Emotions are in boys also and in girls also, and even boys can also get hurt and girls can also be get hurted, right? So we cannot say that, okay, you're a boy, you can't cry, and you're a girl, okay, you can cry. Okay, these thinkings, these are known as stereotype. Then boys can go out after 7 o'clock in the evening, but girls cannot go. Okay, now boys can wear anything what they want, but girls cannot wear whatever they want. These are called stereotype thinking. Are you all understanding? When people say that those who belong to a particular country, religion, sex, race or economic backgrounds are stingly, lazy, criminal or dumb, they are using stereotype. Now if we are saying that, okay, he's from this country, he is a lazy person. Okay, he is from this caste, okay, he is a lazy person, he is a criminal. No, this is all stereotype thinking. Okay, there are stringy and generous people everywhere, in every country, in every religion, in every group, whether rich or poor, male or female. And just because some people are like that, it is not fair to think that everyone will be the same. Okay, stereotype stops us from looking at each people as a unique individual with his or her own special qualities, because we become partial according to our thinking, right? And skills that are different from others. They fit large number of people into one pattern or type. Stereotypes affect all of us as they prevent us from doing certain things that we might otherwise be good at. Now, they are saying that because of these stereotype thinkings, these conservative thinkings, many people, now many girls, they are very much good in, you can say, in media line, okay, but their family is not allowing them to join these line because they have to travel places. Okay, but that girl is very much active in and very much informative and intelligent under journalism, but she's not been allowed because she is girl and they want that girl should stay at home. Okay, so they are saying that because of these stereotype thinking, they prevent us from doing certain things which we might be good at. Okay, that is why many people in India, they cannot discover what actual quality they have and what they should actually pursue because of these conservative thinking. Okay, now in the very next video I will be starting with inequalities and discrimination. Okay, so please read this prejudice paragraph which I have taught you today, and anything which you have not understood, please mark it. Okay, thank you.